Okay, let's talk about a little bit more terminology before we begin working some practice problems. This says fractions, or anything that can be written as a fraction, is technically called a rational number. Now that's extremely important. We need to know that terminology. Okay? When we talk about fractions or rational numbers, we don't want to just say the top number and the bottom number because those have some very specific names. The top number is always called the numerator, and the bottom number is always called the denominator. Now, we need a little bit more terminology before we go. There are two types of fractions. A fraction is either a proper fraction or it is an improper fraction. The difference is we have to look at the numerators. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So, for instance, that would be something like 2 over 3 or 1 over 5. Those would be proper fractions because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For an improper fraction, the numerator is the same or larger than the denominator. So an example of that might be something like 5 over 4, where our numerator is bigger than our denominator. Or it could be something like 3 over 3, where our numerator is the same as our denominator.